Hey guys, in this video I am sharing with you a brand new company that I was recently introduced to by my sister-in-law. It's called Grove Collaborative, and basically it's made up of all like natural and organic branded cleaning and household products. If you've been following me for a while, then you know I have been a loyal Honest company subscriber. I think I've been with them, oh my gosh, like 4 years now. I even love their diapers for Bentley. I've been with them for 4 years. I have no complaints. I just kind of wanted to change it up, try some new stuff. And I just love that there's like different branded things that I would normally pick up in the grocery store, but it's still the same style as Honest, meaning you get monthly deliveries. You have total control over it, just like with Honest. I think it ships out normally every 4 weeks, but you'll get an email when it's getting ready to ship, so you can pick the products that you want to get and you can adjust the dates if you need it. Like if you're going to be on vacation or you just don't need anything. The other really cool thing about it is it have a variety of brands, and what I love about it too, what I've noticed is there's a lot of like new brands that I've never heard of or I wouldn't have tried otherwise, and they often send out like emails about introducing new brands. This video is not sponsored by them. I did this all on my own. I just kind of put my Honest account on hold just to see how they compare, and so far so good. If you want to sign up and try this out yourself, or maybe take a break from Honest if you've been a subscriber and just check it out, I'll put my referral link below. I wanted to let you know about Grove's fall campaign that's running right now with Mrs. Meyers. You can get a Mrs. Meyers hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray, and that replaceable head dish brush. If you're already an existing Grove customer, you will get a pack of my favorite Walnut sponges. Any of their fall scents. My favorite is apple cider. They also have Mum from last year, which is back, and a new one which is called Pumpkin. This is going on just while supplies last. Once it sells out, it will be sold out, but it's an amazing deal. All of it for free, and the best part is you get the new fall scents, which I know are very hard to find at this point. Every time I go into even my Target, all of the Mrs. Meyers fall scents are the shelves are completely wiped out. So hopefully you guys want to take advantage of that. The link is in the description box. So let me show you what I got for this month's subscription. The first thing is by 7th Generation, and believe it or not, this is actually the first time I've ever tried anything from this brand, although I see it all the time. This is their dishwasher detergent packs, and I got these because honestly, the one thing that I wasn't crazy about with Honest is their dishwasher packs. They would always open up in my dishwasher, but whenever the cycle would be done, I would open my dishwasher and there was always like product residual left behind. But I can tell you that I've used these quite a few times already, and that never happens, and it gets my dishes squeaky clean, and I just love that it's natural. I can wash Bentley's bottles and stuff with that, and I don't have to stress about it. One brand new thing that I have been waiting to try, my friend Erin, I think, blogged about these a while ago. These are wool dryer balls. It's a natural fabric softener. They're by Molly Suds. They're kind of pricey, but you get 3 of these, I think, in here. And it basically takes the place of your Bounty sheets. And I never really knew anything about, like, bad stuff about the Bounty sheets, but apparently there's like chemicals and not so good things in there for you. So I picked these up to use instead, and I think I'm going to just use some of my lavender essential oils. You can just put like essential oils in these to make your clothes smelling good when they come out of the dryer. So I'm really excited to try these. I love that they sell Mrs. Meyers. I picked up their new mint scent multi-purpose spray. I love their peony, but now the newest one is mint, and I got this in the hand soap. It smells so good. So this I love for spraying down the counters or the stove after we're done eating Bentley's high chair. Method is also sold there. I've been a big fan of Method, I think, since I lived with my parents. This is what they use. And I got the lime and sea salt dish soap. I think this was free, this little hand sanitizer gel in blood orange. And I also got the Mrs. Meyers dish soap in mint. And again, I just love that I can wash Bentley's bottles and sippy cups and things with the dish soap rather than have like a separate one. And then I got this. This is the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Really interesting. I usually use like the green and yellow sponges that have the tough grease fighting, you know, but these are made from walnuts, natural. So I'm excited to give these a try. And then the last thing I picked up, actually reusable food wrap, like cling wrap or saran wrap, and you can use it again and again and again, and you can use it to just cover things or wrap things up in, but it's made out of like beeswax, which is kind of amazing. So that's all I got for this month. If you guys want to check out Grove Collaborative, I'll put my referral link below, and you can sign up and try it and check it out for yourself. I just love that you can get all the products that you would normally get in like Target or Wegmans or Whole Foods there, and it's delivered to your doorstep. I really got comfortable with Honest, knowing that my products are going to be shipped to my house all the time. I feel like it's cheaper too when it comes to grocery shopping, and I don't have to pay for those. Like, I wasn't paying as much, and I just love that I have total control over when it comes and what I'm getting and what I'm paying for it. So I wanted to just let you guys know, because I like filling you in on new things that I'm trying and checking out. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you later. Bye!